What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I am not here with the co-pilot Jax, but today we're coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing update. Well, they are moving a lot of dirt around this site on both sides of the 101 freeway. Starting to see a lot more articles in the news talking about bears coming down, cubs of other mountain lions getting hit by cars. So I think that this is going to be focused on a lot more in the coming months, definitely on the tail end of the summer, going into the fall, when they're looking eye to eye on that completion date that was mentioned about a year ago. But on that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, give us a sub. Thumbs up the video, super chat, super things, buy me a coffee, link in the description below, comment on the videos for better or for worse. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.